Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox another ROG product, or should I say another Gundam ROG collaboration product. So yes, I've basically unboxed all the products that ROG released in the Philippines, but there is one more product that was not included in the bundle. They didn't actually release it here in the Philippines, but they only released it in Japan as of the making of this video. So here we are today. We are going to unbox the ROG Gundam QI Throne. So basically, it's a headset stand that has a wireless charging feature for your phone.
Wow!
Sounds really awesome, right? Well, that's because it is. So, I didn't get them from the same store, the Playbook store, but I saw a seller online that was selling these. These products are actually hard to get. They are always sold out in Lazada and Shopee.
Oh no!
So when I saw a post regarding about this product, I immediately messaged them. I'll provide a link down to their FB page down below so you guys could check their website out. They're a store from Ilocos, really far. I'm here from the south, from Dagupan City, I believe. So you could only imagine the shipping fee that here we go. So the shipping fee is actually really expensive. I believe it's 500 or maybe 450 pesos. Something around those price. So let's spray this with Lysol. There we go. Again, this is the ROG Throne QI Gundam LTD. Headset stand with RGB lighting and ESSDAC. Now, I don't know what that is. But I believe that's your wireless charger.
Wow!
So again, let's examine the box. The Gundam Mobile Suit background. ROGI, or Republic of Gamers text over here that has that really catchy effect when you shine it with the light. Here is the right side, same with the left side, and here is the back of our box. Here is the top, and here is the bottom of our box where you will find most of your description. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So how much was this headset stand? Apparently this costs around 9,800 pesos. Kinda expensive, but hey, at least I completed the product. But I really wanted to complete the setup.
Wow!
And this was the only thing that was missing. So, there we go. You can open it from the side. There we go. Will you take a look at that? That's really fancy. There we go. The last missing piece of our whole setup.
Wow!
So there you go. And here is where your wireless charging will be. Well, let's take a look at what's inside of our box. Maybe there's more, or maybe not. Here we go. There's another compartment inside our box, and this contains the charging brick, and of course your cable. Because when you take a closer look at this, you can actually plug your headset over here instead of plugging your headset or earphones into the PC itself. So that's one of the many features. Cable will go through here. This is the same kind of cable that you actually use with your external hard drives. Again, our throne, our cable, our charging brick, our warranty card, and of course, our quick start guide. So that's all about it for our box, and I'm just gonna read a little bit of our start guide. So here we have the headset rest. Here we have our RGB lighting area, this little guy here. At the back is where you will plug in your cable paired with the headphone output or audio jack, if you may want to call it that. And at the right side of our stand, or your left side, is two USB 3.1 connectors. And also at the back, I was wrong, this is your SATA cable socket, and this is your DC jack. So this is where you will plug your power brick so you can power up this product. And at the front is actually your audio jack. That's about it for our product, and let me just clear some space over here, and I'm going to show you how it looks when plugged in. Well, that's good news. There is actually an included Velcro with our power brick.
Wow!
And of course, do not forget to take the plastic out, especially for objects that are heating, because having that plastic wrapped around that object will actually hit that object much faster.
Wow!
There we go. And of course, let's unwrap this product. It looks really, really nice. So here again, before I try to plug it in, have a look at it. There we go. There we go. This is our headset stand. I think it's made of plastic, or this one is made of rubber and this one is made of plastic. Let's remove our plastics. One here. Please align your device with the ROG logo to start charging. I can't show you guys that because I'm using my phone as my camera.
Oh no!
There we go. And also we have some plastic on both sides of our glass. There we go. I'm gonna try to plug this in like so and start seeing the... There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! So, the mirror on the middle has actually some lights on it, and there is also RGB on the bottom of on the base of our ROG throne. You can see that here. It goes all the way to the other side, but not at the back. So there we go. It actually kind of looks like our ROG Helios, our case, where the middle part of the case lights up. So I guess that's about it. Again, this is the ROG Gundam Throne QI, a headset stand with a wireless charger, and of course, let's not forget about the two more extra USB 3.1 sockets right here. So how much does this cost? The shop that I bought them cost around 9,850 pesos plus 450 pesos for shipping fee because they are from Ilocos and I am from the south. So the shipping fee is kind of expensive. So our total comes at a 10,300 pesos, which is expensive. Well, the whole setup is expensive already, but this is the last missing piece of that setup, of this art, if I may. So that's about it for this video. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, you can like and subscribe of my FB page and YouTube channel. I will link them down below. And if you guys have any tips, comments, or anything that you want to say at all, don't hesitate to comment down below and I will try my best to leave you guys a reply. So see you guys in my next video.